Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel your Squarespace domain subscription. First, open your browser and log in to your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, on the dashboard click on Domains located in the top menu. On this page, you will see all your domains listed here. Click on the one that you want to delete. Now, scroll to the bottom of the domain settings page and look for the Cancel Domain button. Click on it. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Make sure you understand that cancelling a domain is permanent and cannot be undone. Once you're sure, click Confirm. After you've confirmed, your domain subscription will be cancelled and it won't renew on the next billing cycle. And that's it. You've successfully cancelled your Squarespace domain subscription. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.